Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited to present to you the women's new fresh and sweet horizontal square rolling camera collar grid crossbody storage one shoulder phone bag. This bag is not just a fashion statement, it's a lifestyle. Let's talk about the design first. This small crossbody bag boasts a chic and fashionable striped pattern that is perfect for summer travel or business occasions. It's casual, stylish, and trendy, a real head-turner, and let's not forget about the quality. Crafted from premium PU leather, this bag offers a luxurious feel and long-lasting durability. The material is soft yet robust, making it ideal for everyday use. Plus, the secure zipper closure ensures that your personal belongings are safely protected. But the best part about this bag is its versatility. With its crossbody and shoulder bag features, this purse offers convenience and flexibility. You can carry it as a handbag or sling it across your body, the choice is yours. And what about the size? Despite its compact size, it offers ample space for your essentials, making it a practical choice for everyday use. And the single handle / strap design makes it easy to carry around. With its wave pattern embroidery, square design and large capacity, this bag is not just a fashion accessory, it's a statement piece. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description below and get yourself this women's new fresh and sweet horizontal square rolling camera collar grid crossbody storage one shoulder phone bag. You deserve to treat yourself to this fabulous addition to your wardrobe. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your style. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion inspiration and lifestyle tips. See you in the next video.